In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Linktree URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your public Linktree address reflects the username you want. First, sign into your Linktree account and look toward the top left of the dashboard. Click the profile icon there to open your account options. This is where Linktree groups all of your profile and billing settings, so it's the quickest path to anything related to your username and URL. From that menu, choose Account. This opens the area where you manage the core details of your profile. Once you're on the account page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Account Management. It may be a little lower on the page, so keep scrolling until you reach it. Within Account Management, look for the three dots menu. Click those three dots, then select Change Username. This is the specific control that updates your public username, and with it your Linktree URL. Type your new username into the field provided. Keep in mind your username needs to be unique and typically can only include letters, numbers, and underscores with no spaces. If the name is already taken, try small variations like adding an underscore or a short, relevant word. Choose something short, memorable, and brand consistent because this is what people will see and type when visiting your Linktree. As you make this change, remember that updating your username will also update your QR code and your public URL. That means any old links you've shared elsewhere, like social bios, email signatures, or printed materials, will point to your previous address. It's a good idea to make a quick note of where you've shared your Linktree so you can refresh those places right after you confirm the change. When you're happy with the new username, click Review Username Change. This gives you a final chance to confirm the exact spelling and see how your new URL will look. Take a moment here to double check for typos, since even a small mistake can make your link harder to find. Finally, click Confirm Change. Linktree will update your account immediately, and your new URL should go live right away. After that, test the link in a new browser tab to make sure it loads correctly. Then update your bios, marketing materials, and any QR codes with the new address. That's it. Your Linktree URL is now updated through a clean, safe process inside the account settings. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed, easy to share link.